Hello students, today we are going to solve second numerical of specific speed. Question is given as a turbine develops 900 kilowatt when running at a speed of 140 rpm and under a head of 30 meter. Determine the specific speed of the turbine. Now we have to determine the specific speed of the turbine. So first of all we will write the given quantities, that is power developed is given as 9000 kilowatt, head will be equals to 30 meter which is given in the question, and speed is given as 140 rpm. Now specific speed will be equals to n root p upon h to the power 5 by 4. Now we will put the values, that is 140 under root of 9000 divided by 30 to the power 5 by 4. On solving this, we will get the specific speed as 189.167. That will be in SI units. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.